Today, I want to share with you how to create a flip book from your PDF like this. You'll be able to have a gorgeous flip book that will grab attention of your ideal clients so that you can sell your digital product. This is a PDF guide that every member receives when they join Coach Simplify Academy. And it is all about becoming an expert using email to build your list and also sell your digital products. So today I am going to share with you how to turn something like this into a flip book. The first thing you want to do is go over here to the apps to the left hand side. You want to click on apps and you want to type in simple booklet, and you can see mine pops up, and then you wanna click on the icon, and it's gonna ask you some questions. You wanna update your current simple booklet, and the reason why it's asking me this is because I've already created one. You wanna make a new simple booklet or you're replacing another simple booklet. So for you, it will be make a new simple booklet. For me, then once you've selected, you wanna make sure you want to see all the pages are selected. And so this guide has 27 pages, and I want to make sure all of those are included. And then it's going to export. So you want to click on export. And when it's complete, it's going to say your booklet is almost ready. So let's hit the purple button, complete. And then it's going to say you're leaving Canva. I'm going to hit continue. And now you're going to see preparing your Canva design. And then you get to select if you want to like a page turn, a hardcover, a perplex, a card flip, but we're going to do a page turner. Let's hit convert. And you can see it's uploading. It's going to do its little magic. Now we have our flip book. Now, if you want to know how to use Flipbook in your marketing of your digital product, you definitely want to watch this video. Guys, have an awesome and blessed day.